Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can enable auto logon on Windows 10. So you can do this by editing the Windows registry, but a much easier way to do it is to download an app from Microsoft called Auto Logon. Run the app. You're going to need admin rights to run this app, but you don't need to install anything. When you run this app, it's going to show you the username for the current user, the domain that they're on, and there's going to be an empty field where you can enter the password. If you have multiple users added to the system, you'll be able to pick a different user from the username field and then enter their password. I'm going to do this for my own users, so my name's already entered there, as is the domain, and I'm going to enter the password. Remember to enter the password. If you have a PIN set up, that is not what you need to enter here. Once you're done, click Enable. Now I'm going to show you what happens when I restart my system or when I shut it down and then start it again. So it didn't ask me for any sort of verification and it booted straight to my desktop. If you want to disable it, just run the app again, enter your password, and instead of clicking Enable, you want to click Disable. I'll see you later with more tips and tricks for Windows 10.